Hey guys, welcome to Tactor's tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna talk about how to add card in Apple Pay wallet. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for users, you can see here using Apple Pay can be simpler than using a physical card and safer too. So with your card stored in the wallet app, you can use Apple Pay to make secure payments in stores, for transit, and apps and on website that supports Apple Pay. And to get started with that, you'll just need to head onto the wallet of your iPhone. So you just need to head onto this icon in here to open this, and then right after there would be a plus button in here, and you may be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. So you just do one of the following. So if you want to add a new card, you'll just need to tap the debit or credit card, then tap on continue, then position your card so that it appears in the camera frame. Or you could also enter the card details manually for that. And you could also apply for Apple Card. So you could see the setup and use Apple Card on iPhone for this one. Add your previous card. So you'll just need to choose any cards you previously used. And these cards may include cards associated with your Apple ID, cards you use with Apple Pay on your other devices, and cards you added to Safari for autofills, or cards you removed from wallet. And then you'll just need to tap to continue, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, then follow the prompts. And lastly, you could also add a card from supported app. You'll just need to tap the app of your bank or card issuer below from the apps on your iPhone. So you'll just need to follow the steps to go ahead and add card in your Apple Pay or wallet. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.